Hey guys, it's me, Laurel. I'm coming to you from the floor of my office today because I wanted to talk to you a little bit more in the way that I talk to my clients who are a part of my virtual style shift workshop. um, so I wanted to kind of reach out and tell you a little bit about how the workshop came to be. And you may, if you are a subscriber for a long time, you remember I sent out a lot of messages about this workshop in the beginning when I was making it a group course. I learned through the group course that most of the people in the group didn't really give two shits about the group part and kind of would rather have had me all to themselves. If that's not you, then I'm sorry, I misjudged you. But that was kind of the takeaway I thought. So I am putting this out there into the world now as a one-on-one way for us to work together. And so far the results have been awesome. I've probably worked with like 40 to 50 of you, and we have created we've created some magic, I have to say. A lot of people have benefited from getting a little support around how to integrate more of their personality with their wardrobe. And the way that I help people do this is by giving you a lot of homework. Not really. Having you fill out some worksheets ahead of time and getting clear on some of the things that really light you up, get you going, and make you feel the most confident on a day-to-day basis. And then seeing how we can translate some of those things into wearable pieces of clothes, even if you have to dress conservatively for work, or whether you are super laid back and just want to feel a little more put together on a day-to-day basis, or maybe you're a business owner and you need to be taken a little more seriously and want to feel a little more polished so that you can represent your brand a little bit more clearly. Maybe you're a doctor or a lawyer or someone who has to get dressed and have people really trust them on a day-to-day basis. Or maybe you just had a baby and you don't really realize you don't recognize the body that you have anymore. And you also don't really feel like the same person that you were before you had the baby. So you are struggling with how to dress this new person, this new value system that you now have, and this lifestyle. So the Style Shift workshop really can work for you if you are interested in exploring how to put more of yourself into your style, do a bunch of work now so that you don't have to think so much later. The stuff that I'm going to give you as far as tools to use will be tools you can use for the rest of your life. So you're getting tons of value out of this. We're going to talk first about self-reflection, and my knees are cracking. I'm not 38 anymore, people. We're going to talk first about self-reflection, and we're going to get clear on your likes, your dislikes, the parts of your body you like to show off, the ones that you'd rather hide. We're going to get clear on those little parts of you that maybe you never have associated with your style before, so that you can feel like the badass that you are on the weekends all week long. The other thing we're going to do is take you on a very, very efficient closet sorting journey where you're going to learn how to sort your closet like I would do one-on-one with you. And the result of that will be open space, openness, letting go of that shit you don't need anymore that doesn't say what you want to say with your clothes anymore. So the closet sort is a big one. Sometimes it's the darkest moment in this journey because you realize, I really don't like a lot of my clothes. Fear not. The second part is the third part is strategic shopping. And we together will make a very clear, concise list so that when you shop, you don't just walk in with 5 minutes and pick out the first thing that looks okay, put it on, take it home, and realize, oh, I already bought like 4 of these same like black dresses. Maybe I need to up my shopping game. Maybe I need to change my shopping mindset. Maybe I hate shopping and I want to learn how to not hate it so that I stop hating all of my freaking clothes. Shopping's hard. I will help. I will also give you a head start by hand selecting items for you to try, and also give you lots of back and forth support around, should I buy this? Should I not buy this? Should I buy this instead? And teach you how to shop so that you're making better decisions when you go into those stores on your own. The last part is like the Gestalt theory of dressing, where you realize that all of these parts can make up something even bigger when you put them all together into an outfit. And a lot of us do get stuck around the outfit making because we don't know how to put things together in lots of different ways that really show off versatility in each piece of our clothing and take our style to the next level as far as like accessorizing. And then like we're going to unpack stuff like, how high should my pant hem be? Should I tuck this shirt in or not? Should I wear a jacket? Should I not wear a jacket? Are these earrings too big for my face? Like, we're going to talk about it all. And the great thing about doing this one-on-one is that if you have specific needs, specific desires, specific like requirements for your style, we're going to talk about those, and you're going to get your questions answered, and we're going to be face to face just like this. I might be sitting in a chair instead of on the floor, but it's going to be pretty much the same. The other great thing is that we're going to record all of our talks so that you can use those to look back on when you need to reassess your outfit from your style or your outfit in the future. I'm going to give you lots of worksheets that you can use if you need refreshers in the future as well. So it's going to be cool. And the results are all super exciting. So if you want to hear more, or you want to hear firsthand accounts from people who have done the Style Shift workshop with me, you can see that on the links I am going to link to below. And the other thing that you can do is sign up for a free 30-minute call with me, and we can talk about exactly your style questions and see if perhaps this way of working together could be a way for you to get your problem solved. So thank you for bearing with me through my first vlog newsletter. And I look forward to hearing from you guys soon. Peace out.